Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: an active Google account with two-step verification and a device that supports passkeys. Once you've verified that, open a supported browser and navigate to Accounts. Google.com. When the sign-in screen offers a passkey option, select it. Don't choose a password. Make sure your device's biometric sensor or local PIN is ready. This first step moves you from passwords to a stronger, phishing-resistant method, using your device's secure element. Once you select the passkey option, choose the passkey tied to your Google account or register a new one if needed. Then authenticate with your device, touch the fingerprint sensor, use Face Unlock, or enter your local PIN. The browser and device will exchange cryptographic credentials using FIDO2/WebAuthn behind the scenes. You don't type a password. If registering a new passkey, give it a clear name and allow the prompt to back it up to your Google account or device keychain for recovery. After successful authentication, you'll be signed in. Check My Account. Google.com/security to review and manage passkeys. Make sure backup is enabled so you can recover access if you lose a device. If you plan to sign in on other devices, test the flow now to confirm cross-device support. If the sign-in fails, first update your browser and operating system, verify you have an enrolled passkey on that device, and confirm system time is correct. Incorrect time can break cryptographic checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.